Cats are among the most agile and calculated animals in the domestic world, known for their precise movements, elegant leaps, and sharp instincts. Yet many cat owners have noticed a curious behavior that often precedes a jump, a short, sometimes soft, meow. While this vocalization might seem incidental or even playful, it often serves multiple purposes that are tied to feline communication, physical readiness, and behavioral conditioning. This short meow can be understood as both a signal and a physiological response. From a behavioral standpoint, cats often vocalize in response to internal decision-making processes. When a cat is preparing to jump, particularly to a high or narrow surface, it enters a moment of focused anticipation. The meow may accompany this moment as a form of self-encouragement, similar to how humans might make a small sound or murmur before taking an action that requires coordination. It is not necessarily conscious, but rather an expression of mental concentration or resolve. For some cats, the short meow before a jump may also be a way to communicate their intention to others in the environment. In multi-pet households, or when humans are nearby, a cat may emit a vocal cue as a way to signal presence, movement, or claim to space. This behavior may have roots in both social and territorial instincts. Although cats are often seen as solitary animals, they are capable of forming complex social relationships, especially in domestic settings. A short meow could serve to announce an impending action, reducing the chance of surprise or collision, especially in crowded or shared spaces. Physiology may also play a role. Vocalization involves the engagement of the respiratory system, which is also activated in preparation for physical exertion. A brief meow before jumping could be part of a natural breath control process, aligning the cat's body in readiness for the burst of energy required to leap. This is similar to how athletes sometimes exhale sharply before a movement, optimizing muscular coordination and focus. Furthermore, cats are highly perceptive animals that constantly learn from their environment. If a cat meows before jumping and then receives positive reinforcement, such as reaching a rewarding place, receiving attention from a human, or even just enjoying a successful leap, it may learn to associate the meow with the act of jumping. Over time, the behavior can become habitual or even ritualized. The meow, in this context, becomes part of a conditioned sequence of actions. It is also possible that in some cases, the meow is a form of frustration or hesitation. Cats do not always jump with perfect confidence. If the jump is particularly high, distant, or risky, the cat may vocalize as a response to uncertainty or as a cue to gather its focus. The short meow can express hesitation, a kind of feline inner dialogue before committing to the movement. While not all cats display this behavior, those that do often reveal a high degree of interactivity with their environment and with humans. Cats that have grown up in human households tend to vocalize more than feral or less socialized cats, and they may integrate vocal signals into behaviors that originally required none. This adaptation reflects the cat's responsiveness to human feedback and the evolving dynamic between domestic cats and their caregivers. In conclusion, the short meow a cat emits before jumping is a multifaceted behavior that combines elements of communication, physical readiness, and learned habit. It reflects the complexity of feline behavior and the subtle ways in which cats integrate vocal expression into their daily routines. Whether as a signal, a physiological reflex, or an expression of emotion, this small sound reveals much about the inner workings of a cat's mind and body. Observing and understanding such nuances enhances our ability to connect with and care for these intelligent, sensitive companions.